Do you ever find it difficult to measure your hair? The struggle you feel every time you measure your hair isn't worth it. Don't worry, the struggle ends here. With the new hair measuring clip tape, you will be able to measure the length of your hair as easily and quickly as you want. The new hair measuring clip tape is easy to use. Just follow these steps. Step 1. You take the claw clip and clip it to your hair. Step 2. Either measure your hair along the tape or put a section of your hair through the loop ring and measure down the tape. Just that easy. No more hassle of trying to hold the tape in place to measure your hair. Now you can measure precisely with ease. To get this product and more information, visit linkcheckhair.com. Don't worry, the struggle ends here.